Dome, but like also we're coming together as a community to eat food, and later tonight we're gonna dance and sing and like celebrate. So I like that it's more than just like building a dome, it's like a community coming together, and we get a thing done and we learn a lot. And that's what most of these events, we try to have that vibe, and we succeed, and it's so much fun.
With seeds, you actually are rewarded and incentivized to think about the whole. So when you're doing something that's regenerating the planet, the people, healing, when you're planting trees, when you're building sustainable structures out of scrap materials, when you're providing housing for people, when you're building orphanages, you're able to get this currency and then use it and distribute it.
So much for that collaboration, just co-creation, like, you know, sweating next to each other, moaning next to each other, like it's all kind of, you know, those are the like the dirty ways of life, but they're also like the awesome things about life, because like once you know how, like once you know those things, it's like there's this intimacy that gets created that a lot of times like we can't get to like through just talking or, you know, seeing each other. So it's kind of like I appreciate that sense of bonding.